How to invert colors on iPhone. Hello everyone, today we will go through the option of inverting colors on our iPhone device. This is available on iOS 17, as well as older versions. Open the settings on your phone. In the list of options, find the accessibility section. In the accessibility section we will find the display and text size option. In the window of these options, we can change and adjust our display as well as the size of the text. However, the two options we need are at the bottom of all the options in this list. Smart Invert and Classic Invert. Activate one of the two that suits you better and find the look you like. The appearance also depends on whether dark mode is turned on. If we want our theme to be light, basically we will activate dark mode. If we want it to be dark, we will turn it off. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iOS tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.